My name is Deborah Gordon. I'm a senior principal at RMI. Climate Trace is a coalition of about a dozen NGOs, each of which are looking at different sectors of the economy and their greenhouse gas emissions. RMI is looking at oil and gas. The big takeaway from our analysis on oil and gas is that they are responsible for a huge portion of emissions, 1 in 10 tons, but we have very scant reporting about what those emissions are and where they are. We found that 15 countries are responsible for over 70% of the emissions, but not the same countries produce emissions in every part of oil and gas. So the United States and Russia are major emitters for both production and refining, but there are a lot of countries like Germany, Japan, South Korea, they only produce emissions in refining. Right now, the world has to depend on countries reporting their own emissions. These self-reported emissions, however, are woefully inadequate. What we found was that the self-reported emissions were far less than what we are analyzing the emissions to be. In fact, a majority of countries are actually either underreporting, or many major oil and gas producing countries are not reporting at all. If we can get down to the asset level, this is individual refineries, wells, operations, we can actually shut off emissions. Climate Trace makes the invisible visible, and we can manage what we know. Go to climatetrace.org for more information on the oil and gas sector and other sectors of the economy.